Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and today we are doing A1 Lesen. Los geht's. Hier haben Sie einen Text und einige Fragen. Sie müssen den Text lesen und die unten Aussagen als richtig oder falsch markieren. Sie haben nur 5 Minuten. Nachdem wir die Antworten markiert haben, machen wir die Vokabel und besprechen die Antworten. Here you have a text and some questions. All you have to do is read the text and mark the statements given below as true or false. You only have 5 minutes. After marking the answers, we will do vocab and discuss the answers. Vokabelzeit. Die Antworten sind: The first statement is Die Wohnung ist klein. It means that the apartment is small, as it is given in the text that the apartment has a room, a bathroom, kitchen, and small balcony. So the statement will be true. The second statement is Die Wohnung ist nicht für die Autofahrer. It means that the apartment is not for the drivers. The passage does not mention for whom this house is meant. So, this statement will be false. The third statement is Man soll das Apartment kaufen. It means one should buy the apartment. But the text is stating about renting the apartment. So, this statement will be false. The fourth statement is Es gibt einen Garten. It means there is a garden. But the text is not stating whether the apartment has any garden. So, this statement will be false. The fifth statement is Es gibt kein Bett und keinen Schrank. It means there is no bed and no cupboard. The text is stating that the apartment doesn't has any furniture. So, this statement will be true. The sixth statement is Die Wohnung ist im ersten Stock. It means that the apartment is on first floor, but the text is stating that it is on second floor. So, the statement will be false. The seventh statement is Die Miete ist sehr teuer. It means the rent is very expensive, but the text states very cheap. So, the statement will be false. Vielen Dank. Ciao.